Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. It's always a pleasure cooking for people, especially when you have to make a lovely tiffin for your kids. That's why you have India's most favorite chefs making 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today's recipe is inspired by the Bhurjee. Instead of having eggs, it is substituted with green moong. Now, normally when you would eat this Bhurjee, you would actually use a lettuce, add the Bhurjee onto it and eat it and really enjoy it. So let me show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Let's sweat some onions along with a little bit of chillies and some tomatoes. We're going to add a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of red chilli powder. So continue sweating them for a couple of minutes and then we add our cooked moong inside. Toss them really well. Add a little bit of salt. Perfecto. Some lemon juice and some Amchoor powder. Give this a little mix. Next, we add some fresh coriander and we have some chopped walnuts as well to give you that lovely crunch. And also, walnuts are considered as brain food, so which is automatically fortifying and making your Bhurjee even more rich and nutritious. Mix well. Finally, let's add a little bit of tomato ketchup in this, which is going to give a really nice tang and sweetness to our Bhurjee. As well, it's going to keep it nice, moist and well together. Beautiful. Our Bhurjee is now ready. So let's assemble our tiffin right now. So we have some golden raisins, which is going to give your child energy all day, and some lovely papaya. So a perfect balance to a perfect tiffin. So we have these lettuces, which we are going to put on the side, and then our Bhurjee. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Next week, Rashmi is going to be here to show you some amazing recipes as well. So I hope you make this dish and you will always have Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. I'll see you soon.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.